Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move columns in Excel. Let's get started. If you wish to move a column in Excel, forget about the hassle of copying, pasting, and deleting. Excel offers a great way to move columns by following a few simple and quick steps. Start by selecting the column you want to move. Here, we'll select the column B, which contains the information about first names, and we'll move it right after column C, the last name column. You can select and move one or multiple columns regardless of your table size. Press and hold the Shift key, glide your cursor to the column border, left or right, until you see this cross arrow pointer. Then use the left mouse button to drag and drop that column precisely where you want it. Simple, isn't it? You can effortlessly apply it to rows too. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.